Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good day everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dilar Kalinsi, and I live at Permega Regency number 50, Block C 48, and Sarang Baru District, Bekasi Regency, and West Java. You can reach my by email and then at zenaril@gmail.com and or by phone at this, and then you can also find my profile on GitHub under the name Zainul Arkan Agency, and then my LinkedIn also under the name Zainul Arkan. And so on this on occasion I would like to introduce myself, more talk from my background and learning journey to my experience, and finally my vision and goals as young developer who is constantly growing. So for about me, I am student at Eden Boarding School Sentul, and education institution the focus on developing future technology leaders. And then this is where is first truly immerse myself in the world of the programming in serious and structured way, and the supportive learning environment, and combined with the community that encounters grow, and then has constantly, and motivate me to develop myself the further in the field of technology. And then from the very beginning I have been deploy interest in web development, and for me building a web application is not just about writing code, but it is a process of the creating something real and something that other people can use, and then something that can make a different. And then that is what keeps pushing to me learn more and then try new things, and then not give up easily when facing difficult technical challenges. And then currently my primary focus is on becoming a complete full stack web developer. I don't only want to be able to create a beautiful interface on the front end, but also understand the logic running uh, running behind the screens on the back end, and so that I can build application that are truly functional, efficient, and then ready to be used at the real the scale. And then technical skill, my speaking of technical skill, I have mastered a number of technology that are highly relevant in the modern web development landscape. And then on the backend side, I am proficient in PHP and Laravel, two technologies or two stack that are still widely used in industry, and especially for building information system and complex web application. On the front end side, I primarily use Next.js and Tailwind CSS, and then Next.js give me the ability to build the React based web application with high performance and then great developer experience. And meanwhile, Tailwind CSS allow me to design clean and modern and responsive interface in faster and more efficient way compared to writing plain CSS. And then I am so proficient in fundamental of JavaScript and CSS3 and in React, and in which from the essential foundation of modern web development. Without a solid understanding of these dirt technologies, and then it would be very difficult to really understand how to be application works from the user perspective. And then one area I'm also seriously focusing on the mobile application development using Flutter, and I realized that today era and having presence on mobile platform is extremely important, and almost everyone use a smartphone, and an ability to build it mobile application is a highly available skill, and therefore I am actively learning Flutter and plan to continue deepening this exercise going forward. And in addition, I have solid understanding of responsive design and a design principle that ensures application or website looks good across all screen size, and then from smartphone to desktop. And then in this mobile first area, responsive design is not longer just a bonus the future, but has become a minimum standard in web development. And then for my work experience, the first is full stack web developer internal school project. My first professional experience began in February March uh, 2025, and when I had the opportunity to be part of the IT team at Aiden Boarding School Sentul, Jakarta, Sentul. In this project, uh, my small team and I were tasked with building library management system. The first is for internal use by the school, and then their system we built included several important features, and then such as book borrowing and book returning, and then inventory tracking, and then with these features, the library administration, the process what that was previously done manually become far more organized and efficient. In this project I used Laravel and backend framework and my SQL as database, and then this way my experience working on the real project and a very serious scale. I learned agree deal from the progress from planning feature and diving text within the team, and then to debugging expanded the technical issue. And then the point two is my experience work experience is technology and programming workshop uh, instructor. Beyond my experience as developer, I also have experience as instructor. I am currently actively teaching at Arashad School and Al Kafi School, and then to school there where I share my knowledge with young students who are at the beginning to explore the world of the technology IT, especially for software developer. And then here I deliver introductory programming and web development material to junior high school student. And then the topic I teach included the basic of HTML and CSS and JavaScript, and then their main pillars of the web development need to be mastered before moving to be more complex technology on or other teach. And then my training and certificate, in addition to work experience, I also actively participate in the various course and the training program to constantly improve my competence. And then first in April 2025, I successfully completed the flexible Kickstarter full stack web development journey course with excellent grade, and this course covered both front end and back end development comprehensively using modern technologies, and excellent grade. As if I reflect the high level of dedication demonstrate through the the process. And then the second is February 2025. I complete the full stack development essential course. I comprehensive training program design to prepare developers for the real challenge in this course, provide my ability and the reach to work and go and full stack project. And then the third is also complete the building the build drive or Uber clone app Flutter and Firebase to 2025. And then the course taught by instructor Amir Khan, and then this course taught me how to build a ride sharing app clone using Flutter and Firebase. And then yeah including the creation of a professional login and sync up UI. I complete the course on November 2025, and getting hands-on experience in mobile app development with cloud-based backend and integration using Firebase. And then yeah, this their achievement demonstrate that I am someone who is protective in learning and does know what to be good, and I definitely seek out learning resource, complete resource, and constantly add to my skill. And then this my language skill. And in terms of communication, I have proficiency into foreign language, and the first is English, which is critically important in the world technology since almost all documentation and then tutorial and then technical discussion forum use this language. And then the ability to read and understand technical documentation in English allow me to learn directly from reliable source without depending on uh, translation. And the second language is Arabic, which is I studied as part of my education at Eden Business School Sentul. Uh, Proficiency, my Arabic gives me to be broader perspective and train my logical and analytical thinking, and a skill that are also very useful in programming also, especially for country Arabic. And then vision and goals for the future. Looking ahead, I have a clear vision of my career direction and contribution. I meant to make my short-term goals in the continue depending my skill for stack web development or mobile development, and then by building portfolio of the real project and that can be seen by others through my GitHub profile. And then my long-term goal is become a developer who not only technical competent but also capable of the leading a team and designing scalable system architecture and then creating digital product that truly have upon truly have a to positive impact on society. And I'm so very understand in continue to contribute to world of technology education, and I believe that Indonesia has tremendous potential in the field of technology, and then one of the best ways to the released potential is ensure more young people gain access to and exposed to programming knowledge from early age. And then maybe that's it, and that concludes my self introduction for my CV. And I am Jamal Kalinsi, a passionate young full stack web developer who is actively learn and committed to continuous growth. And I believe that technology is incredibly powerful for creating change, and then I want to be a part of the change. And then thank you for taking the time to get me the economy, and I'm open collaboration and learning opportunities and discussion about technology and web development and then mobile development also. And please do not hesitate to reach out to me through the email or social media I have mentioned. And adalah said, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.